I am Chandru. I am going to discuss about face recognition on this oral presentation. Let's start. Let's start with the content. I am going to discuss about introduction, facial recognition, how it works, strengths and weaknesses, application, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. Everyday actions are increasingly being handled electronically instead of pencil and paper or face to face. This growth in electronic transactions results in great demand for fast and accurate user identification and authentication. The access codes for the buildings, bank accounts, and computer system are often used pins for identification and security clearance. Using the proper pin gains access, but the user of the pin is not verified when credit and ATM cards are lost or stolen. An unauthorized user can often come with the correct personal codes. For that, face recognition technology may solve this problem since a face is undeniably connected to its owner except in the case of identical twins. Face recognition, what is this? It requires no physical interaction on behalf of the user. It is accurate and allows for high enrollment and verification rates. You can use your existing hardware infrastructure, existing cameras and image capture devices will work with no problems. Image acquisition. What is image acquisition? Facial scan technology can acquire faces from almost any static camera or video system that generates images of sufficient quality and resolution. High quality enrollment is essential to eventually verification of the user identification, and the enrollment images define the facial characteristics to be used in all future authentication events. Distinctive characteristics location. All facial scan systems attempt to match visible facial features in a fashion similar to the way people recognize one another by the markings they know about them. The features most often utilized in facial scan system are those least likely to change significantly over time. Upper ridges of the eye sockets, area around the cheekbones, sides of the mouth, nose shape, and the position of the major features related to each other. Template matching. It compares match templates against enrollment templates. A series of images acquired and scored against the enrollment so that a user attempting 1:1 verification within a facial scan system may have 10 to 20 match attempts take place within 1 or 2 seconds. Facial scan is not as effective as finger scan or iris scan in identifying a single individual from a large database. A number of potential measures generally returned after large scale facial scan searches. How facial recognition system works? Facial recognition software is based on the ability to first recognize faces, which is technically fit it itself. If you look at the mirror, you can see that your face at a distinct levels. Visionix defines the landmarks as nodal, but there are 80 nodal points on human face. Here few nodal points that are measured by the software. Distance between eyes, width of nose, depth of eye socket, cheekbones, jawline, chin. Matching the newly acquired facial data compared to the stored data and linked to at least one stored facial representation. The system maps the face and creates a face print, a unique numerical code for the face. Once the system has stored a face print, it can compare to the thousands of millions of face prints stored in it. Each face is stored at 84 byte file. Strength. It has the ability to average existing image acquisition equipment. It consults against static images such as driver license, photography. It is the only biometric able to operate without any user cooperation. Weaknesses. Changes in acquisition environment reduces matching accuracy. Changes in physiologically characteristics reduce matching accuracy. It has the potential for privacy abuse due to non-cooperative enrollment and identification capabilities. Application. President visitor system, border control, voting system, computer security, banking use ATM, replacement of PIN physical tokens, physical access controls of building and areas, etc. Advantages: convenient, socially acceptable, easy to use, inexpensive technique of identification. Disadvantages: problem with false rejection when people change their hairstyle, grow or shave or beard, wear glasses. Identical twins. Conclusion: factors such as environmental changes and mild changes in appearance impact on technology to a greater degree than may expected. For implementation, where the biometric system must verify and identify users reliably over time, facial scan can be very difficult but not impossible technology to implement. By this, I end this video. Thank you.